Hello and a warm welcome to all my dear viewers. Welcome back to my channel Online Primary Education. So dear children, let's revise the chapter adverbs. So what do you mean by adverbs? Add something with verbs. So an adverb tells us more about a verb or an adjective also, right? An adverb tells us how, when and where something is done. Is that clear, children? Or you can also say the words that add something to the meaning of verbs are called adverbs. Now let us take one example. Now see, here is one sentence. The sun shines. The sun is your noun and shines is the verb. The sun shines. Then what is the adverb here? So in this sentence, no adverb. Okay? Because shines expresses an action. This is an action word, shines. Sometimes we want to say something about an action. We want to say how the action is done, when and where the action is done. Okay, so that word will be your adverb. So in this sentence, if I add the sun shines brightly, if I write here brightly, okay, so the question can be, how does the sun shines? The sun shines brightly. Now this is adding something to the verb shines. Okay, this is an additional information, okay, about the verb shines. The sun shines brightly, right? Therefore, brightly is your adverb. Is that clear, children? Brightly is your adverb here. Now let us take another example. Well, now this is the second example. Example number 2. Sita will go tomorrow. Now you have to ask the question. Here which one is the verb? Go is the verb. Okay? Go is the verb. So Sita will go tomorrow. If I ask the question like this, when will Sita go? When will Sita go? So what will be the answer? The answer will be tomorrow. So tomorrow is your adverb here, right? Now this is the third example. Rita was studying here. Rita was studying here. Okay, your verb is studying, right? Now what question can you ask? Where was Rita studying? Where was Rita studying? Okay, so the answer will be here. Here. So here is your adverb. Okay, children? Now see, in the first question, in the first example, we have asked the question using how. Right? How does the sun shines? In the second sentence, in the second example, we have asked the question using when. When will Sita go? When? Okay? And in the third question, we have asked using where. Okay? In the third example, we have asked the question using where. So, we have asked questions using how, when and where. Right? That's why I said we want to say how the action is done, when and where the action is done. Okay, children? Now hope this is clear to you. Now let us practice an exercise which will help you to know more about adverbs. So children, this is the first exercise. Fill in the blanks with how words given in the box. You have to select the correct adverbs from the box and then you have to fill in the blanks, right? This is exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with when words given in the box. That means you have to ask the questions using when. So choose the correct adverb from the yellow box that you can see, and then you have to fill in the blanks. This is exercise 3. This is also fill in the blanks with where words. You have to ask questions using where, and then you have to select the correct answer from the yellow box that you can see on top of the sentences and fill in the blanks. Well, now this is exercise 4. This is a bit different. Underline all the adverbs in the given passage and write them in the blanks below. So I will read the passage for you, children. Raju gets up early in the morning. He goes to school daily. He is never late for school. He dresses up neatly. He writes beautifully and correctly. He always learns his lessons. He speaks softly. He crosses the road carefully. He will go to his friend's house tomorrow. Now children, read each sentence properly, okay, and then identify the adverbs from the sentences given, okay. Now do this work in your school copy. So thank you all of you for watching the video. Take care and bye bye.